Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That is my knowledge part, and today we have to discuss regarding uses of irregular verbs in present tense. In my previous video, we have discussed uses of irregular verbs in past tense, and that too the four forms of the past tense. But today we have to discuss the uses of irregular verbs in present tense and as well as the four forms of the present tense. रे भाई irregular verbs क्या होते हैं? In my previous video I have discussed thoroughly what are the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs or irregular verbs are such type of the infinitives, and the infinitives after just converting into V2 and V3 they are not going to take ed. Along with that, even though they are going to express the meaning of simple past also and past perfect also and present perfect also and future perfect also, to such type of the verbs are declared as irregular verbs in English. Now what are those? For example, no is there, know, no, knew, new, known, known. Now no, new, known, these are the examples of irregular verbs. So no is in V1, new it is in V2, and known it is in V3. Now how these irregular verbs are supposed to be used in present tense and as well as the four forms of the present tense. You can take any one of the noun or pronoun. For example, he is there, she is there, it is there, that is there, they is there, we is there, you is there, and I is there. What are these? These are the pronouns. And if we have to write or if we have to use that irregular verbs in present tense before such type of the pronouns or nouns, what are the changes are required, that we have to see. ये जो सर्वनाम है, इन सर्वनाम को या इन सर्वनाम के सामने प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर यानी कि जो चालू यानी कि वर्तमान काल होता है, उस वर्तमान काल के अंदर किस तरह से इनके सामने क्या करने से, इरेगुलर वर्ब्स लिखने से वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस की मीनिंग एक्सप्रेस करता है, वो देखना है. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? नाउ प्लीज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स, दैट इज नो. either it is no, either it is go, either it is what we can say swing, either it is swim, either it is write. What are these? These are the examples of irregular verbs. It means irregular verbs are not going to take ed at the ending. Even though without taking ed at the ending, they are going to express the meaning of simple past also and past perfect also, as well as present perfect also and future perfect also. Now he is there. He, for example, he knows, she knows, it knows, that knows, they know, we know, you know, I know. What are these? These are the examples of simple present. These are the examples of simple present. Try to understand, my dears. In my one of the videos, I have explained in detail regarding the present tense, and in that present tense, what the requirements are supposed to be required whenever we are using or whenever we are writing any one of the sentences in simple present. In simple present, what it is, the key is that if the noun is singular, word must be plural, and if the noun is plural, word must be singular. अगर नाउन एक वचन है तो जो क्रियापद है ना वो अनेक वचन में आता है. अगर नाउन अनेक वचन में है तो क्रियापद जो है वो एक वचन में आता है. अगर नाउन एक वचन में है तो जो क्रियापद है ना अनेक वचन में आता है. इफ द नाउन इज सिंगुलर, वर्ड मस्ट बी प्लूरल, एंड इफ द नाउन इज प्लूरल, वर्ड मस्ट बी सिंगुलर. हाउ? He knows, she knows, it knows, that knows, they know, we know, you know, I know. Apart from I, अगर नाम एक वचन है तो क्रियापद बहुवचन या अनेक वचन में आता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट में. अगर नाम अनेक वचन है तो क्रियापद जो है वो एक वचन में आता है और वो आई के अलावा. ये क्या है? या दिस इज द रूल ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर. सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सिंपल प्रेजेंट, ही नोज वो जानता है, सी नोज वो जानती है, इट नोज वो जानती है, वो जानता है, दैट नोज दे नो अंडरस्टैंड वो जानते हैं, वी नो हम जानते हैं, जान रहे हैं नहीं, यू नो आप जानते हैं, आई नो मैं जानता हूं, जान रहा हूं नहीं. सो सिंपल प्रेजेंट इट इज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट इट इज देयर? नाउ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इज देयर. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. In present continuous, what you have to do? Present continuous, what you have to do? In present continuous, same you have to take the examples. For example, he is there, she is there, it is there, that is there, they is there, we is there, you is there, I is there. Simple present, सादा वर्तमान काल, उसके अंदर irregular verbs किस तरह से यूज किए जाते हैं? Try to understand, my dears. Either the verb is regular or irregular. Whenever the reference of simple present used to come, then and then we should not think that either the verb is either that verb is a regular verb or irregular verb. But whenever the nouns are occur in such a forms, whenever the nouns are occur in plural form, then and then singular verb must be written. For example, they know, we know, you know, and I know. But whenever the nouns are singular, for example, he, she, it, that, at the time, if the noun is singular, word must be plural. If the noun is plural, word must be singular. Apart from I, that is in simple present. Now, present continuous, what it is there? In present must be there and continuous must be there. And in that, the uses of irregular verbs. Present भी रहना है, continuous भी रहना है, और उसके अंदर क्या है बाबा? ये irregular verbs के किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. irregular verbs किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं उसको देखना है. Now present continuous. He is knowing. He is knowing. This is the example of present continuous, because know, knew, known, and ing if it is going to add to any one of the verbs, then either it converts into continuation or sometimes it is going to express the meaning of noun zero. Now he is knowing. In the same way, she is knowing, it is knowing, that is knowing, then they are knowing. They are knowing. In the same way, we are knowing. You are knowing. I am knowing. So what these are? These are the examples of present continuous using that irregular verbs in present tense. And present tense has a 4 forms. Past tense also has a 4 forms. And future tense also has a 4 forms. So in past tense 4 forms, in that past tense 4 forms, how to be used the irregular verb, that I have just said in my previous video. Now in present video, what I am going to do? In present video, I am just making you understand how to be used the irregular verbs in present tense, and that too in the 4 forms of present tense. Now, simple present is over. After that, present continuous is over. Later on, what it is there? Present perfect is there. Now, present perfect, in that present perfect, how to be used that irregular verb so that it is going to express the meaning of present perfect, and that too the V3 form of the irregular verb. Now, you take the same examples. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, that. Now, I. How? Present must be there. Perfect must be there. Present perfect. One was simple present. Another one was present continuous. Now it is present perfect. How it is? I have known. Try to understand. I have known. How it is? V1 know, V2 knew, V3 known. So now, whenever the tense is in perfect, either it is past perfect, present perfect, or future perfect, then and then we have to take the V3 form of any one of the verbs. Then only that sentence going to express the meaning of either it is a either it is a present perfect, or it is a past perfect, or it is a future perfect. In the same way, I have known, we have known, you have known, they have known, he has known. He has known, not have known. He has known. She has known. She has known. It has known. That has known. So what these are? These are the examples of present. These are the examples of present perfect. Remember, simple present, I know, we know, you know, they know, he knows, she knows, it knows, I know, we know. Present continuous, he is knowing, she is knowing, it is knowing, that is knowing, we are knowing, they are knowing, you are knowing. Present perfect, I have known, you have known, they have known, we have known, he has known, she has known, it has known, that has known. Now, apart from that, what it is there? Now, it is the matter of present perfect. So, these are the examples of present perfect. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट के ये एग्जांपल्स हुए. अब उसके साथ साथ उसके बाद एक लास्ट वन इज देयर. व्हाट इज दैट लास्ट वन? प्रेजेंट मस्ट बी देयर, परफेक्ट मस्ट बी देयर, कंटिन्यूअस मस्ट बी देयर. जैसे कि in my previous video and again I say that each tense has a four forms. Past tense also has a four forms, present tense also has a four forms, and future tense also has a four forms. So now at present we are seeing what do you mean by present tense and how to use that irregular verbs in present tense and also the four forms of the present tense. Now, what is over? Simple present is over. I know, he knows, she knows, it knows, that knows, we know, you know, they know. Present continuous, I am knowing, she was knowing, it was knowing, that was knowing, they are knowing, we are knowing, you are knowing. Now present perfect, I have known, we have known, you have known, they have known, it has known, that has known. Now present must be there, perfect must be there, continuous must be there. So what you have to do? Now again you have to take the same examples. Understand what the same examples are there. Present must be there, perfect must be there, and continuous must be there. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. In that one, he has been knowing, he has been knowing, she has been knowing, it has been knowing, that has been knowing, they have been knowing. In the same way, we have been knowing, you have been knowing, I have been knowing. So what are these? These are the examples of present perfect continuous. Remember my dears, what I am going to say you and what is the intention of my spoken English class? The intention of my spoken English class is that whosoever that listener who is listening to me or following to me, he or she should understand perfectly and their doubt are supposed to be clear after going through such type of the uses of the irregular verbs in any one of the tense. Either it is a past tense and their four forms, or it is a present tense and their four forms, either it is a future tense and there what we can say four forms. So in simple present how it has come, in present continuous also how it has come, in present perfect how it has come, and in present perfect continuous also how it has come, that we have seen. Now apart from this, I am not going to say that only know is such type of the irregular verb so that we have to use that only in all the three tens, and that too all the 12 forms of three tens. It is not so. So which are the irregular verbs? Uncountable irregular verbs are there. Go is there, go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Swim, swam, swam. Swim, swam, swam. Understand? What are these? The see, saw, seen. What are these? These are the irregular verbs because they are not going to take ed at the ending to express the meaning of simple past and past perfect, also the present perfect and future perfect. Such type of the verbs in English have been called that irregular verbs. So guys, that irregular verbs how to be used in future tense, and along with that the four forms of the future tense we will see in next video. Till then, take care. If you like my video, please like it and do not forget to subscribe it. Have a nice Sunday.